Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can reconcile Gocardless payment in Xero. So the first step that you have to do is go to your Xero account from here. So once you're here, go ahead and tap on this. So once you click on that one, you will see all of this. So just click on the settings. And from here, you just have to click on invoice settings. So once you click on that one, you will just go to the payment services. So in here, you just have to go ahead and tap on add a new service in here, and then you will have three options from here, but we're going to go with that direct debit. So in here, this is powered by Gocardless, so just click on setup direct debit. So once you click on that one, this pop-up will then come. So you have here two options, which is if you have already a Gocardless account, you click on this one, but if you don't have, you sign up for Gocardless. So it depends on you. So since if you have, just go ahead and tap on this one, and then you will just have to connect the two. So the Xero and then the Gocardless. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!